Paper has been a part of business for decades. For invoices, purchase order approvals, HR files, signatures, bills, a lot of things just using paper. Paper is slow, okay? It may get lost. So today in this video, I'm going to teach you how the paper process that you do in your business can be replaced by using Odoo. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Paper-based functionality for business actually means printing out the papers, walking around with it for approvals, then storing it in a cupboard, and even searching it while you are doing the audits. This is going to do a lot of headache for you, okay? But this is also going to, come up with errors, delays, wastage of time, and then damage of the files and all such things. This is where Odoo 19's Enterprise Edition or Odoo 19 is going to take the role. So here, you can replace it with digital approvals, like the approvals and signatures can be replaced with digital signature and approval. So if you're doing this manually with paper, you'll have to walk around for this approval and signature, right? And what happens when it gets damaged? The whole document gets damaged. So here in Odoo 19, you don't have to do all these things manually because the approvals as well as the signature can be managed digitally. Now, you might have heard about certain approvals for the time offs, for the expenses and all. It's simply a button. Okay, the manager or the administrator who is responsible for this approval can simply click on the button and there comes the approval. So there you have a digital approval. Similarly, we have the signature, right? So here in Odoo, you can manage the signature just by using the sign module. So for each document, you can make a digital signature and that can be marked in each of the paper where a signature is required. So this is going to save a lot of your time as well as you can generate a very secure document. Next comes the invoices. So manually generating an invoice on a paper and pen, that too is going to create a lot of complication, right? So here in Odoo, you have a sales module, and even in the accounting, you can manage these invoices easily and effortlessly. So inside the invoice itself, you have a lot of things like sending the invoice, you can do the payment, you can print the invoice. A lot of things can be done manually over a single invoice. So not only on invoice, on bills also you can do this. So likewise, you can actually save a lot of your time and some papers. Purchase and sales procedure without paper. You all know for Odoo 19 or inside Odoo 19, you have separate modules to manage purchase as well as the sales. So if you simply take sales, there are a lot of procedures. First of all, you'll have to create a quotation. You'll have to send the quotation. Then you'll have to confirm it into a sale order. Then you have to manage the invoice and all such things. So if you're doing this manually, you'll have to take the printouts, then you'll have to get the signature, confirmation and all for the quotations. Same is the process with the purchase also. So here in purchase, we are going to create the RFQs. Okay, then you'll have to confirm the RFQ. Once you send this RFQ, then you'll have to confirm it to a purchase order. Then comes the bill. So in between all these procedure, a lot of documents come where you'll have to manually get the signature, approvals and confirmation. So if you are using Odoo, rather than you doing this manually, like basically these paperwork means you are doing it manually, right? So you can automate this, like you can convert it into a smart work by using the modules such as purchase and sales in Odoo 19. So it's available in both enterprise and community edition. Likewise also you can save a lot of papers. In Odoo, documents are stored, linked and searchable. So if you all are familiar with Odoo, then you might have heard about the documents module. Then you have this knowledge module and all, which is a recent addition to Odoo. So using this knowledge module and all, you can simply manage documents alone. And in Odoo, it's searchable as well. Just take the UI and search for any document that will appear over there. Like if it's satisfied, if your search satisfies the result that is present in your system, then obviously that will be displayed right in front of you. Now using this knowledge module and all, you can directly create new articles. Okay, a lot of formats, a lot of paper formats, then text formats and all are given over there, through which you can actually create variety of articles as well as properties which is required for your system to run forward. Similarly, you can talk about the documents. So all the documents in your system will be stored in the documents module, and this is going to help you to save a lot of your time.
So that's how easily one can replace paperwork by using Odoo 19's Enterprise or even Community Edition. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.